Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to send a view once photo on WhatsApp. So person can view photo but cannot copy, forward or save. So you can open any chat. Now open any chat. On bottom you see paper clip or you can see camera icon. So you can take new photo and then select view once feature and then send to the user. When user see your photo once, after that photo will disappear or delete, or you can send existing photo, so it's up to you. So first we are going to click on camera, so click on it, camera icon. Now camera is open, so you can take new photo or select existing photo like this, and then you see add a caption. Now you see one, so click on it. Now you see photo set to view once and then send. Now you see photo sent. So that person will see photo once time. After that photo will disappear. Another option is click on attachment icon or paper clip. So click on it. Now select gallery. Now select any photo. Again you see add a caption. Now you see one, view once. So click on it. And then click on OK. Now send. Now you see view once photo sent. So person cannot take screenshot, forward or copy this image and photo will disappear after showing once time. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.